Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
做马哥呀！
让我们加入客家风情，学习实用客语。
Hey, welcome back to Daily Hakka here on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin.
Hello， 大家好，我係美長。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係林執少。This month we're teaching you about weather, about the solar terms. 其實在3月有一個蠻特別的節氣。如果你中文不好，還不知道怎麼念，
真的
什麼驚
蟄，
對，驚蟄，它好像跟昆蟲有關，對不對？
很可愛，就是驚蟄到了，雷公就會轟隆，春雷響了，大家就要起床了。
Yeah, there's a solar term called 驚蟄, which is the awakening of hibernating insects. That's what it literally means. How do you say that? 怎麼說呢？
驚蟄，
到了驚蟄，雷聲響起，驚醒冬眠的昆蟲動物們。Thunder happens around 驚蟄 that awakens all the hibernating insects and animals.
驚蟄多，雷公響，老雞條喊啲雞，冬眠嘅蟲嘅通活，都很想來。
Very good. 那今年的驚蟄到底是幾月幾號？
在國曆的3月5號。
Let's teach you that. 驚蟄 happens on March 5th.
今年嘅驚蟄啲，成立3月初5。
Alright, 就是3月初5，新曆啦，國曆的意思嘛。Okay, let's review some of these phrases that are very useful about the weather, including hibernation, 冬眠 and then the insects and animals, 昆蟲動物
蟲嘅通活
and this solar term known as 驚蟄 and there you have it, another Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
什麼睇㗎？
漢字 say
張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.